In many households, electronic devices follow a familiar pattern. They function normally for a period of time, and then, without warning, they stop working. In most cases, the assumption is that the device itself has failed. As a result, it is often replaced. However, in a significant number of situations, the core issue is not the device, but the battery that powers it. This distinction forms the foundation for a category of instructional materials focused on battery reconditioning. Modern electronics rely heavily on rechargeable battery systems. These systems are present in laptops, phones, tools, vehicles, and various household devices. Over time, batteries degrade. They lose their ability to hold charge, deliver consistent output, or operate within expected parameters. When this happens, the device may appear non-functional, even though its internal components remain operational. Standard consumer behavior tends to favor replacement over inspection or repair. This creates a cycle where devices are discarded based on battery performance alone. Easy Battery Fix is a digital instructional guide. It presents a collection of procedures intended to address battery-related issues across different device categories. The guide is delivered in a digital format and accessed through an online platform. Its content is structured around different types of batteries, including those used in automotive systems, portable electronics, cordless tools, and household devices. Each section outlines specific handling methods associated with that battery type. The material does not function as software or automated repair. Instead, it provides written instructions that the user must follow manually. The guide is used as a reference during practical interaction with batteries. A typical use case involves identifying a device with reduced or non-functional battery performance. The user then locates the relevant section within the guide. From there, the process involves reviewing the outlined procedure, preparing the required basic tools or household items, applying step-by-step actions to the battery or device. The structure suggests repeated cycles of testing, adjustment, and reevaluation. No fixed duration is defined, as each battery type and condition may require different time frames. The process is entirely user-driven and depends on manual execution. This type of instructional material aligns with individuals who prefer direct interaction with their devices. It may be relevant for users interested in basic technical procedures, individuals who maintain household equipment, people with access to multiple battery-powered devices, users willing to follow structured instructions. It assumes a willingness to engage with physical components rather than relying on external services. No prior advanced technical background is explicitly required, but attention to detail is implied. Battery reconditioning guides exist within a broader context of device maintenance approaches. At one end, there are full replacements, purchasing new batteries or new devices. At the other, there are professional repair services. This product sits between those two options. It does not replace components directly, nor does it outsource the process. Instead, it provides procedural knowledge intended for independent application. Compared to replacement, it introduces additional steps and user involvement. Compared to professional repair, it reduces reliance on external technicians. The outcome depends on the user's execution and the condition of the battery involved. This overview presents the guide as a structured set of instructions rather than a finished solution. If you want to explore the full documentation referenced in this video, you can find the link in the description below.